Hello guys, welcome to my new technical vlog at Technoland Expart. In this video I will show you the full information about the Firebase project opening. When you are going to use the Firebase store or Firestore and the real-time database of the Firebase, first you need to remember that the Firebase is the Google authorized database service project. So first we need to install the Firebase. So how do I install the Firebase? I have used some method inside the CMD prompt in my previous video. So this video I will show you how to open a Firebase project in my local device with the Firebase CLI connection and the GitHub source. So first of all I need to configure the Firebase login, because that you have already used your mail inside the Firebase. So first you need to login option, and if you have already a Firebase account, just you need to use your password and connect with the CLI. Then come to the Firebase tools installation project, and in this tools installation project you need to use the npm installation globally. So hereby you can see the npm install -z Firebase tools. So hereby I have find out some the vulnerabilities, because some of the package is not still downloaded. So I have used again npm install Firebase. So this will take some time to install. Build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient. So now it's ready to just let me be me Firebase, and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, all of the processes you follow I have used. Hereby you need to use the space and the down keyword, space and down the keyword for selection option with all the facilities of the Firebase. Hereby you can see the real-time remote configuration, real-time database, Firebase configuration security rules, and the cloud function directory and its something others, and the emulators, remote configuration with the template, and finally I have used an existing project. Hereby you can see, because when you are opening a Firebase project, it's need to remember that you need to first open a project in the Firebase account manually. Now you can see I am using the GitHub directory publicly. But this time the server is coming some error that 5005. This means the Firebase CLI authentication system cannot connect with the GitHub source. So what should I do this time? One thing I need to ensure that if you have one Firebase account, you can open only one Firebase project, because if you use the multiple Firebase projects or open multiple Firebase projects, delete another project, rather by stay with the one project. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. So I have tried again to install, but this is not done actually. Just for the training purposes I have used the other project I have already created in my Firebase account. So I have tried with the another project that is called YouTube by me. And here also you can see the authentication problem that will come from the Firebase store. This time you can see also the error will come. So here is my GitHub source, GitHub repositories that I have already created, but this error is coming that I have already created and connected with this repositories. So I need to delete this repository from this GitHub and newly created the same repositories for our project configuration. Every time you need to remember that when you are opening any kinds of project, that previously if you have already made this project or create or connect with the GitHub source, Heroku and Netlify, any kinds of web hosting service you have already used. So first of all you need to memorize that when and where you have used this connection. So you need to delete it and delete it manually, and then you will get new configuration with the new creation of the project. That means you have already a Git repository, so you need to delete it and create it again. So I am trying to delete the repository with the password of the GitHub. Yes, you can see now the Git repository already deleted. So I will again use the Firebase init. So here is the process of the Git configuration, that you have used Gmail and your GitHub name. Actually you have used inside the GitHub account. So first one is the git config -- global, and your mail you have linked with the GitHub account. And second one is the git config username. And hereby I will use my GitHub name, that is 1.5.141. So now you have already seen the GitHub connection has already done in this project folder. Now I will initialize Firebase again. So the same process, I have selected some options that I need to install with the project. And I have tried again the second project ID. This is all about, I have been again and again to understand what is the problem, actually what is the problem and what from is coming, error or really wrong. So thereby you can see I have already two projects. First I have tried to open in this Firebase project. I have created an app. your app and register. Use the same method. This will generate your SDK. SDK means the code that you need to use for your development. Now I have already continue with my console, and I need to change some database rules and the storage rules. Otherwise my database will not connect it with my code. It will show some error. For the protection purpose, you know, the database is highly configured others customers data, so we cannot face any error, or we cannot so hereby I have already changed my Firebase database rules, and the storage rules I need to change again. First create the storage. This is all of the settings you need to generate by your own, and so finally I will tell you that you need to configure, or you need to memorize all the system I have shown in this video. Now I will change the Firebase storage. Firebase storage means this will store your picture that you want to store inside the database. Only picture. The storage is only hold the picture or files, any kinds of things. And if you going for the data, this will stored inside the Firestore database or the real-time database. The Firestore database is used for like ROM, means inside the device. ROM is the permanent storage, and the cache memory is the temporary storage. So inside the Firebase database or Firebase system, the Firebase database is like a ROM, and the real-time database is like a cache memory. That currently if anyone trying to sign up or log in into the website, so this database will store inside the real-time database, and the real-time database will the compare with the previously signed up data that is stored inside the Firestore database. So this is why the authentication or sign in or sign up system is like an authentication system, that which person is entering our site, so he is already authorized or not. So for checking this system, real-time database and Firestore database used. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. So now I will delete and remove this application, because I have already told you that Firebase account only hold one project. If we have more than one project, we will get inside this type of error and trouble. We will look forward. Finally, you can see I will again restart my Firebase and use some functions that I need to install or install inside my Firebase project. So I have selected database, Firebase configuration system, because this system is important for the database for hiding or secure your customer data. Now this kinds of process you need to follow up and go through it. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. Thereby you can see the GitHub directory has already public, and our configuration single page app is index.html already generated inside the code. Now you can see the Firebase CLI GitHub login system. That means the Firebase CLI. The Firebase CLI service has already connected with the GitHub login system successfully. Now, use your GitHub name and create a new repository. Like I have used previously, I have shown you the code name. Now you need to use the repository name and some description, whatever you want to add.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Now add the readme file and create the repository.
it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I tried to copy and paste, but it doesn't work. So I need to write down it manually. That my GitHub account name or username. Then I will go for the repository where I want to upload my project.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
It's really interesting and favorable for the beginner of developer that who is trying to learn and develop his or her own website or web page. And Firebase will give you all of the permission about the website. Now the Firebase Initialization is complete. Thank you, my friend.